Hey guys, so the first thing we're doing is taking our concealer and applying that as the base for our eyeshadow. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And next we're going to just blend it out with a brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. Next I'm using my MAC Skin Finish Powder to just set my eyes so that it doesn't crease. And you'll see me just applying that to my eyes. Excuse me. Next I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to apply a purple glittery color to my eyes. I'm going to just use windshield wiper motions, going back and forth, doing circular motions, just getting that color on my eyelid. You guys can just watch me at this point. Alright guys, so now I'm applying my Take Me to Brazil, or Take Me Back to Brazil. Yes, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I have some purples, blues that I'm going to be using for this. And I don't have the palette in front of me, so forgive me, but I did show what color it was. But yeah, this is giving me like an 80s feel actually. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it yet, but it's giving me an 80s feel. And if you see at any point that my background gets off center, then just look past it. Still trying to get used to this whole shebang, so hold on, something's wrong with my mic. So you just see me here blending out my eyeshadow. I'm just going to be doing a lot of blending back and forth, adding color, blending, you know, the whole deal. So just watch me and make sure you subscribe, comment down below if you like this look, what vibes you're getting from this look, if you feel like you can achieve this look or not. I want to know. So just enjoy. I'm just blending some more, you guys, and the next clip you'll see me getting ready to cut the crease. I'm not a pro with this, but I feel like this is one of my better cut creases that I've done thus far, so I was really proud of myself. But the only recommendations that I can give you for cutting creases is to make sure you're using a very sharp brush. Make sure that you're not using too much product unless you're comfortable with using a lot of product, but it's taken me a long time to even do this good of a cut crease. So I did get inspired by Mitchell on Instagram. I don't know if you follow him or not, but for this I'm not using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I'm actually just using the LA Girl Pro. It's probably in one of the cool tans or pure beige. I don't remember which one it was, but yeah, so this is just a couple dollars from your local beauty supply store to achieve this look. And I use the BH Cosmetics palette, so you already know they're affordable. So I'm just cutting the crease at this point, and I do set it as well, so you could just watch me from here. Hey guys, I'm back. So here you'll see me just carving out my crease some more, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics base. This is a base booster which you can use for eyeshadow and glitters. And then I'm actually using their pigments. I'm sorry, I don't remember if it's a pigment, a loose shadow, a glitter, but I got these little things from them, and I've actually used them a couple times. They're on their website, you'll see it, but it's like a loose eyeshadow to me and like a pigment at the same time. It looks really weird when you pour it out because in the jar it looks like it's actual glitter, but when you pour it out it's like thick. It's kind of different. And then once you smudge it out with your finger, it just smudges out into like this beautiful like foily shadow that I love so much. And it's really buttery and soft and easy to work with. So I'm just going in again with my ring finger, doing my cut crease things. I'm just blending things out, blending out edges, and then I'm gonna go in with this dark color in my Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna take that same Morphe brush, and I'm gonna now add a matte black to my cut crease to just deepen it up that much more, make it a little more dramatic. Excuse me. So if you're comfortable working with a matte black, then go for it. It's all for fun. I wouldn't put too much pressure on myself. It's just for fun, so you'll see me doing that. Then I blend it out, I add more until it's to my liking. So I am just adding little by little, and I'm almost done here. Now I'm going in my Juvias Place Afrique palette, and I'm taking a matte blue, and I don't know why I actually went in with this, but I ended up loving it. I wanted it to resemble like you know, on backdrops where they have like a solid color backdrop and then they have the bulb in front of it, you know, YouTuber videos, and it just reflects like a little light from within type of feel. I wanted this look to be electric and like that, so I added that that matte blue, and I really did love the outcome of it. Yes, guys, we're just finishing up the cut crease here, perfecting it, and we're gonna go back in our palette. Yep, we're going back in our palette, and we're gonna do our lower lash line. I really get into a lower lash line blowout these days, so I'm going back in my blue in my Juvias Place Afrique palette, and I'm getting that blue again, and I'm just going to try to mimic the steps I did beforehand, but I didn't do every single step, so you could just see me do that just to blow out my lower lash line and make everything come together super dramatic. If the video cut off already, I used the NARS Sheer Glow in Macau and the Lancome Teinte d'Eau Ultra Wear in the color 460 Sue. So I think the video did cut off. Hey you guys, I know you're tired of this music. I tried to figure out how to download some other type of music, but I couldn't figure it out. So if you know how to download music on iPad or whatever, please let me know in the comments below so y'all don't have to listen to this treacherous music. But anyways, if you're this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. I mean, hello. Let's get it shop hopping. Alright you guys, we're on the lips. We're doing a NYX Nutmeg lip liner. And then we're going to take the ColourPop Makeup Shayla lipsticks. I don't remember the names, but I got two of them that I'm mixing together. So I did like a mauve, a mauve kind of tone on the outside, and then like a really light pale pink nude on the inside for dimensions. And yeah, this is pretty much the look, but we have a couple more steps, you guys. I'm gonna go in once I stop posing and being cute. I thought I wanted to use this Anastasia lip gloss, but it really didn't do a whole lot for me with this look. So I do end up going over top of that. I'm just giving you guys a little close-up right now, a little flirty flirt. I felt like Planet of the Apes with this wig on, like it was pushed down so far. But this is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk lip balm, which I love. I felt like it tied right into this look with the silvers and metallics, and I'm just spraying it down again, making everything mesh together. And then I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty Diamond, what is it? Fenty Beauty Diamond, it's the highlighter. I am having a total brain fart right now, but this is the highlighter that she just came out with, the Diamond Milk Balm. Whatevs. Fenty, okay? Get it. It's bomb. At your local Sephora. But anyways, yeah, girl, I'm done. I'm cute. I'm feeling myself. I hope you're feeling yourself. Try this look. Tag me. This is totally for my unicorns right here. So make sure you try this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a comment. I want to talk to you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed recording it, filming it, editing it, everything it. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night or a good day, whatever. Bye, y'all.